How you doing? My name's Christopher Lynch. I'm the Deputy Executive Director at Orzac Center for Rehabilitation, part of Northwell Health.
Right, so we're doing a toy drive here. You're here with Dr. Dixon, founder and CEO of the JAHJAH Foundation. Tell us about why you got involved with the toy drive to help the people of Jamaica.
So, we understand the people of Jamaica are suffering. It was a terrible storm, and we have a lot of people that work here and patients that we serve that come from Jamaica.
Right.
And just felt it was only right that we did what we could for them. And I reached out to Dr. Dixon here, and he told me what you guys were in need of was toys for the kids. And if we could bring a little bit of joy for those kids, we're more than happy to do so. So the team here, went home and went to the stores, got as many toys as we can get to share with the people of Jamaica and the kids. This is all. Most of it's donations from staff. A few visitors came in and brought some donations, but the staff really wanted to do something for the people and the children in Jamaica.
I know a lot of people are saying, these children, they're hungry, they need a roof over their head. Why are we focusing on toys? They're like, kids don't need toys. Kids always need toys, okay? When a child has a toy, it takes them away from the immediate environment, and they can actually be focused on something else besides the despair that obviously is surrounding them. So we, as part of our initiative to help Jamaica, we bring in lumber, we bring in food. We're not forgetting those little children who are seeing things they don't even understand yet. They won't understand for another 25, 30 years, understand what they're going through. So we call this joy through toys. And we're doing our best to get this before Christmas. But even if we don't make it before Christmas, they'll have some toys to last them and take them away from the despair that they're going to be facing for the next couple of months or couple of years. So on behalf of the beautiful people of Jamaica, we want to thank you and the whole team here at Long Island Jewish Northwell for helping out and bringing smiles to all those children in Jamaica.
Well, thank you for bringing us this opportunity to help out down there.
Okay, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Thank you.